How to use the Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro. You can leave the water tank on the base and fill with a pitcher, or fill the tank directly at your sink. It's important to make sure water is filled to the fill line at the top edge of the clear part of the clean water tank. Make sure the dirty water tank is empty and pushed into the base. Remove the lid by grasping the handle and lifting straight up. Place up to 4 bottles upside down on the lower rack. Be sure to center them over the spray jets. Vent tubes or other accessories can be placed over the side jets on either side. Pump shields and flanges can also be placed upside down on the lower rack, centered over one of the 4 central spray jets. A replacement pump parts rack that holds all pump parts, including wearables, can be purchased separately. Place nipples and accessories on the top rack over the spray jets. Bottle collars can be placed next to them. For best results, rinse off milk and food residue from bottles and accessories. Place 1 Baby Brezza detergent tablet in the detergent tray per use. It's okay if the tablet falls out of the tray and into the sump. Using other detergents will void the warranty of the device. Carefully place the lid on the base and make sure it's closed completely. Plug in the bottle washer and turn it on by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. The bottle washer is preset to wash and dry. Press the wash mode button once to wash, sterilize, and dry. Press twice to wash only. The complete wash cycle is 19 minutes and consists of a 10-minute wash cycle and 3 3-minute rinse cycles. The sterilizing cycle lasts for 9 minutes. The drying cycle lasts for 60 minutes. You can press the Start/Pause button to pause a cycle and press again to resume the cycle. If you open the lid during a cycle, the lid may be hot and steam may escape. If you wish to sterilize without washing, press the Sterilize Dry button once. Press twice to dry only, or 3 times to sterilize only. Then press the Start/Pause button to start the cycle. After every wash cycle is complete, empty the dirty water tank. Carefully pour the wastewater into the sink. Rinse and dry the dirty water tank. Then insert it back into the machine by sliding it back into the base. To empty all water from the sump, press and hold the Wash mode and Sterilize Dry buttons for 3 seconds. The Baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro.